Guys, today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Scarlet on your phone. No jailbreak or computer needed. This fully works, guys. It's super insane. So if this video works for you guys, keep watching and I'm going to show you guys how to get the fully working Scarlet on your phone, guys. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's super insane. This is updated and everything like that. So if you're sad because you can't get Scarlet, well, fear not anymore, because it actually works and I can download it and it's super cool. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So to do Scarlet, we're going to go to Zoo Mods. This site has tons of mods for apps and games. So let me just go ahead and type it in. So once you're on the site, guys, go to the search bar, type in Scarlet, and it comes up. And then there it is. So just download it, you're good. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. It's super insane. This doesn't revoke or anything like that. And as you can see, guys, if we go to the search bar and type in Scarlet, you can see nothing comes up. So let me just do that right here. Alright, no results, bro. What is this? This fake app says doesn't work. And then there's this app, which is also not working. It's like a scam. So as you can see, it doesn't work. So that's not even related. So anyways, guys, be sure to go and try us out because it actually is updated and everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out. But yeah, it's super cool, guys. So yeah, in this video you learned how to download the fully working Scarlet app, which is updated and it is so insane. So be sure to go and try it out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this fully works. And yeah, it's so insane, guys. So be sure to go and try it out. I'll see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed it. It's really cool and it's updated and everything like that. So I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, because this actually works. And yeah, no jailbreaking involved or anything like that. So that means that this is an updated method, which is great to use. So I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, and get the word out. But yeah, this is super insane, guys. So be sure to go and try it out for yourself. See you guys later. Hope you enjoyed it and have fun, because it is updated and ready to be used. So I hope you guys are ready to use it, and I'll see you guys later. So subscribe to the channel, guys, and have fun. This is super cool, guys. Fully working method. So I'll see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. Get the word out with the method. And peace out, gang.